Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog video. Today I'm driving to work right now, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. It's a beautiful sunny sky in California, and I just bought this carbon fiber steering wheel. I'm not sure if you like, I mean, it's on Amazon, so you know, some basic carbon fiber. It's cheap, so I mean, I like it simple, you know, just carbon fiber, nothing too fancy. So I got it on Amazon. I will put the link down in the description. But anyways, right now I'm driving to work, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me on a little cruise, and I hope you guys enjoy. My car just hit 10,000 miles, and I was thinking to do like a 10,000 miles review on the S650. So drop a comment down below if you guys want me to do that content. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. Let me know if you guys want me to do 10,000 miles review on this car, or should you get an S650.